Hi everyone, in this tutorial video I wanna show you how to fix headset mic not working. Simply guys, first you should to plug in your headset mic. The second steps, go on the button, right button in the speaker, right click and click sounds. As you can see, okay, in the recording tab, as you can see, click here. Okay, here we have all micro in your PC. So your one is in this list. So go and if someone are disabled, turn to enable. Okay. The second step, go and test your one. So unplug, as you can see, then plug again. Okay, as you can see, my microphone, it's the first one. So now click OK. So now click right click, then set as default device. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.